Hey everybody, this is an extreme beginner video and I will do it as slow as possible and step by step. That way it might be easier to follow. So I'm gonna just show you in this short video real quick how to make a slip knot. So you get your yarn, working yarn, which is attached to the ball. Get off me. And then the end of it. Take the end of it in this hand, the working yarn in this hand, now the way I do it is a little different than some people, but there's also other tutorials on how to do it, but this is mine. Alright, working yarn in this hand, the end of the string over here. So what I do is I cross it where the tail goes behind. It's not going to cooperate. Goes behind the working yarn. See that? And then I'd take the working yarn and put it behind the loop. Like that. Then I push that on through the loop and grab the loop that you just pulled through, or the working yarn that you just pulled through the loop. And I like to grab the yarn tail with this hand while I pull this up. There's your slip knot. And you can adjust it just by holding on to that knot and pulling the working yarn. See? Slip knot. I'll do it one more time. Alright. Put this here that way, because it's a white table and the piece of yarn that I'm working with just happens to be white right here. Alright. Yarn tail. Working yarn. Put the yarn tail behind. See that little curl in the yarn? That's why I'm having a problem. Here, I'll just move down. Alright. Yarn tail. Working yarn. Put the yarn tail behind. See, it doesn't want to cooperate. Behind. What I do, really, when I'm doing it quickly, I just put the tail over my finger while I'm holding on to the working yarn. I put the tail over my finger, hold on to it, and twist. See that? And that automatically puts the working yarn behind or in front of the yarn tail. Then all you gotta do is take the working yarn and put it behind the loop, push it through while still holding on to your yarn tail. Don't lose it. And pull up the loop that you'd pulled. I can't talk. Hopefully y'all got that. The working yarn through the loop. Alright, now I'll do it normally, like I normally do it. See? I really hope that I did that to where y'all could get it. I tried to make it visible, but my fingers don't like to stay out of the way. Or, let's see. Somebody showed me this when I first started. That curl is just in the wrong spot. Okay, so lay it flat. Yarn tail working yarn. Guess it needs to be like that. Okay. Yarn tail, working yarn. Put the working yarn over. Did I do that right? Yeah. Put the working yarn over the yarn tail. I can't do it. I might cut that part out because I look like a fool. Not really. I can't do it with it laying down because I've been doing it for 2 years. Almost 3. So I have to do it like this. With the working yarn in this hand, still attached to the ball, yarn tail. And just put it over my finger and twist. See how it puts the working yarn over the tail? And put my finger on that where it goes over it. Take the working yarn, wrap it behind, and pull it through the loop. If I can do it. I'm looking at the camera and not at my hands. Gosh. Through the loop. And then you just pull. Anyway, I hope that worked and was clear enough. I'm not a very good teacher, but I try. Because nobody really was there when I needed to learn. So I want to be there for somebody that's trying to learn. But, alright, this is a slip knot. And don't forget to check out my next video on how to do a chain. Love y'all. Bye.